Hello children, good morning. Welcome back to our EVS class. So before going to the class, tell me, have you took your breakfast? Yes. Okay. So tell me what we have done in our previous class? Yes, I have started a new chapter. What is that? Food. 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 So tell me children, what is a food? Food is a solid substance that we take and we live. Because of the food only we are still alive. If we can't eat food, what will happen? We will have some health problems, and also some others will die if we can't take a food. So that's why food is the main important in our life. Food is a basic need in our life. So that's why we eat food to live. Okay, food is what people and the animals eat to live. And where do we get this food from? Do you know? Food usually comes from the animals and the plants. From plants we get lot of food. What? Food grains and fruits, vegetables we get from the plants. And what about from the animals? We get fresh meat, eggs, chicken and fish we get from the animals. And also some human beings mostly made this food through the farming or gardening. Okay, food helps us to grow and to work. Because of the food only we will grow and we do our work. It keeps us healthy and strong. Yes, up to here we have discussed in our previous class. Okay, so in this Ranveer is telling thanks to us. Thank you for making me a healthy burger. Food makes us healthy and strong. As I told you, by the eating of the food we can become healthy and strong. So why do we need food? We need food to live, to grow and to get energy. Because of the food only we live. Because of the food we grow. Because of the food we get energy and we do some work with that energy. Here Ranveer eating the healthy burger he made. So we get most of our food from the plants and animals. Okay, food from the plants. What kind of food we get from the plants? There are some plants such as wheat and rice. Everybody know what is a wheat? See the picture, this is a wheat. And rice. Everybody know what is rice? Daily you will eat rice. So there are some plants such as wheat and rice which gives us the food grains. What children? Food grains. So there are some plants such as wheat, rice. So these will gives us food grains. These are called the grains. Cereals and pulses are called food grains. Cereals and pulses are called food grains like black gram, red gram, green gram. Pulses, you know pulses, dal. Yes, we get from this pulses only. We prepare dal from these pulses. These are also called the food grains. Okay, from the plants we get food grains. And what do we get from the plants? See, there are some plants that gives us fruits. You can see the pictures of some fruits below. Do you know all the fruit names? These are the mangoes. What is this picture? Strawberries. What is this one? Chikus. Sapota. We call this as a sapota. So mango, strawberry, chikus, and apple, custard apple, pineapple, oranges. These are also fruits we get from the plants. We get different types of fruits from the plants only. Do you like fruits? Yes, all will like fruits. So we get these fruits from the plant. Okay, food grains, plants, and next there are some plants that gives us vegetables. The pictures of some vegetables are shown below. See this picture, children. This is a brinjal. Brinjals, brinjal. Next is bitter gourd. Bittergourds, bitter gourds. Okay, these are the vegetables. Peas we get from the plants, and these vegetables are used to prepare a curries. Okay, we prepare it as a curry. So fruits and vegetables makes us healthy. Each and every vegetable have their own nutritional value and vitamins. Okay, that's why we have to eat all the fruits and vegetables. Okay, children, tell me which curry do you like the most? You have to tell me that. Everybody has their own favorites, right? So tell me, what are the foods we get from the plants? Yes, first one is food grains. What is the first one? Food grains. What are the food grains? There are some plants such as wheat and rice which gives us the food grains. Okay, wheat and rice, these are called the food grains, and cereals and pulses are also called the food grains. From the plants we get food grains and fruits. Fruits also we get from the plants like mangoes, pomegranates, strawberry, chicus, custard apples. Next, the vegetables. Vegetables. Vegetables also we get different type of varieties of vegetables from the plants, and also like green leafy vegetables like spinach, coriander. This also we get from the plants. Next, the food we get from the animals. What kind of food we get from the animals? We get meat from animals such as goat and sheep. We also eat fish and chicken. Goat's meat is known as mutton. Mutton, mutton. Okay, tell me, how many of you knows what is a mutton? Everybody eat on Sundays chicken and mutton. Yes, on Sundays we will prepare mutton or chicken or fish. So these we get from the animals. So we get meat from animals such as goat and sheep. Okay, and we also eat some fish and chicken, and goat meat is known as a mutton. Goat meat is known as mutton. And where do we get chicken from? Hen. So this is a picture of a mutton curry. Mutton, mutton. This is the chicken. It is a leg piece. Chicken. We get this from the chicken. Fish. This is a fish. And eggs. And milk also we get from the animals. Okay. And we get more from the animals. More food also we can get from the animals. What kind of food? Yes, it is milk and the eggs. Okay. And how do we get that? That we will study tomorrow. Okay, children. Thank you.